So now that we have looked into linear pair adjacent angles, let's look at some examples based on them. So look at this question. Here it says angle ADC and angle BDC, they form a linear pair. Remember, what we understood from linear pair is there are two rays, opposite rays, and one somewhere common arm, or otherwise two angles on common arm and non-common arms are opposite to each other. So sum of those two angles are going to be equals to 180. That's what we know. So according to this, what they have given is some ADC and BDC is actually going to make a linear pair. So that means angle ADC plus angle BDC is supposed to be equals to 180. So that is according to the condition of a linear pair. But instead of ADC, they have given a value 2x degrees plus BDC is 3x degrees equals to 180. Add these two. What operation is that? Algebraic expression operation. Remember that. So 2x plus 3x is 5x, which is equal to 180. Transpose that, you need to know transposing. So which is x equals to, if you don't know transposing, go back to one of the videos and then that I uploaded, and then you should be able to find out transposing technique. So x equals to 180 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 6. So x is equals to 36 degrees. So look at the question, what they have asked. Anytime you answer a question, go back to question and see whether you have answered the question completely or not. So now going back to the question, there it said determine the value of x. So we found out the value of x. That's the value of x. So what if they had asked, once you find out the value of x, find out those two angles. So for me, angle ADC is equals to 2x and angle BDC is 3x. Those two are degrees. So now that we have found out x is 36, we'll just substitute 36. That's going to be 72, and this is 3 into 36. 108 degrees. So if I add these two, what is it actually supposed to give me? 180, because the condition says it's a linear pair. So that's the value of x. If they have asked for value of x, just leave it as is. If they have asked for you to find out those two angles, substitute the value of x and find those two angles.